Hello, good afternoon. Eto, tapos na yung tour dun sa Nami Park. Ayan, paalis na kami. So, nakasakay na kami ng ferry. At babalik na kami dun sa area yun. Ayan. So, para umuwi na, meron pang isang, so yung dinner. Yun na lang, and then after that, go back sa hotel na. And then, after that, kanya-kanya ng lakad. Maybe we'll go to the city, yung mga barbecue doon, kung okay pa yung energy. So yan, umalis na yung ferry from Nami Park. Yan. So ito yung the entire Nami Park. Ayan. So yung dyan, that's a maple tree. Maganda yung view niyan kapag fall season. So yung mga tree na yan ay mag-iibang kulay from green, yellow, orange, and red, and then